Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you. And today, I'm excited because I have my Boxycharm Premium. Yeah, Premium. And I'm so excited to share this with you and see what I got. I did choose one item in here, but other than that, it's a crapshoot. But usually a good crapshoot. And let's open this up. And it looks like this, and a card, and it tells me what's in here, and then I can add up the value at the end. And it looks like a bunch of stuff. And let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items in here. And the first thing that I see off the top is a really great coffee scrub. And it's called Frank Body Peppermint Coffee Scrub. A great workout scrub for in the shower exercises, meant to be fresh for a fight. Welcome to your in-shower personal trainer with antibacterial natural ingredients like aloe vera. I work my magic on my body breakouts and stretch marks while soothing weary muscles from too many booty drops. And you know I do too many booty drops. All right, and it says exfoliation, fights, breakouts, tones, firms skin, made with roasted coffee grounds and peppermint oil, olive oil, and aloe vera. And this is at $18.95, and it's a nice hefty package. So pretty cool. Put that there. The next thing I see in here is what I did choose, which is my Ole Henriksen. It's called the Fat Glow Facial. I'm now French. I hope you like me being French because I will be French the entire way through. No, I won't. And this is Ole Henriksen Fat Glow Facial. Get flawless skin with a flash of PHAs. The no downtime exfoliating acid and key ingredient. Ole's first one-step at-home facial. What makes your PHAs so special? They're fat, literally like AHAs. PHAs deliver skin-perfecting, age-fighting results. The PHAs are just a little plumper. They're bigger molecule, so they don't go deep. They don't go as deep as they loosen up the glue that binds the surface layer of skin together and reveals newer, healthier skin underneath. That means less irritation and recovery time for everyone, even sensitive types. And that is a $50 value. And there are some moisturizers and stuff, but it's like, you know, I need to start doing some fancy facial treatments so I can do this 1 or 2 times a week and really exfoliate and get fresh skin and treat it nicely. And Ole Henriksen is very well known for being high quality, great product. So I'm excited about that. I have something in here from Milk, and this looks like Milk Makeup Kush Lip Scrub. Conditioning, exfoliating lip scrub. We made with natural sugar, crystals, and hemp stem exfoliators for softer, smoother, more moisturized lips. Promise, says other stuff in French. I was kidding about the French. I'm not really going to speak in French. But it is locked up in here pretty good. Here we go. And I love Milk Cosmetics. I love their stuff. And this is what it looks like. Nice. I don't know that I will use this. I've got so many lip scrubs right now. But I know somebody would love that. Who could it be? Could it be you? I don't know. But that's really nice, and it is exfoliating conditioning lip scrub made with natural sugar, and it is $22. So that's not bad. We've got 3 things left. I'm not really excited about this, but I know a lot of people love to do these kind of things. It's the ice roller from Kitsch. Someone I watched earlier could not say Kitsch. They were like Kitsch or Kitschy. It's just Kitsch. Kitsch. And it's an ice roller. This roller is your new at-home facial made with high quality surgical stainless steel. It helps calm inflammation, which maybe I've got a little warm red spot on my face. Maybe that will help it. But anyway, with quality surgical stainless steel, it helps calm inflammations, increase blood circulation, and alleviates sore muscles, tensions, and headaches. Recommended daily use for best results. And it's $18. It's sealed. I'm not going to open it because I'm probably not going to use it, but I could totally give that away. Somebody would love it. Then we have, our box is about to fall. The Brilliance Facial Oil from Emma Hardy, which I have heard of Emma Hardy. I don't know much about her, but I've heard of her products before. And Emma Hardy Brilliance Facial Oil, which everyone always could use another facial oil. And it says, hydrating and lightweight, the Brilliance Facial Oil from Emma Hardy massages deep into your skin, and you can achieve a natural looking glow. Multi-active, this formula is crafted with potent essential oils that soothe and purify the skin, while camelina oil offers antioxidant protection from free radical damage. And this is $55, which is, and this is also sealed. I'll open it. What the hell? I'm probably going to use it eventually. What the hell? It's my unboxing. I can do what I like. Ooh, it's all fancy in here. Ooh, and this is a very nice size. This is like really a lot of, how much oil is this? She's from the UK. 1 fluid ounce. So that looks like a lot. It smells like very natural, very herbal. Oh, look at that. It does give you a glow. It doesn't feel tacky. It smells really refreshing. It reminds me of some herbal soaps and lotions that I have that I really like. I'm gonna wipe this off because the next item I may be doing swatches, so we want to have an oil-free area. Maybe I'll just go further up on my arm. I know, I'm giving it away. It's a palette. I'm not giving the palette away, but I was just letting you know what's in the box. What's in the box? You remember 7? What's in the box, man? Tell me what's in the box. So terrible. I'm so terrible. And this is the Queen. Queen Lies in All of Us from Eloise. And Eloise is also British, and it's formulated in the UK, but it was made in the People's Republic of China, which I don't care if it's made in China. And see, look, it shows 3 skin tones that it will work on. It's got a mirror. And I don't care about those plastics. And I look forward to using this. This is very beautiful. Let's see what it says. Eloise Beauty, the Queen Eyeshadow Palette. The Queen Palette possesses immense energy of life, femininity, and strength. Each color tells a story. Each color holds infinite power and carries a unique narrative. Our highly pigmented colors, which are suitable for all ranges of skin, are inspired by stories, tales, and legends of kingdoms, taking you through a journey in time from the past to the present. In the era of femininity, grace, and power, a queen lies in us all. A queen lies in us all. Anyway, and this is a $48 palette. Let's swatch a few colors. I'll go over here where it's less oily. Ooh. Not too bad. Those are beautiful. And I believe there are 20 pigments, 4 stunning textures, 8 buttery mattes, 6 shimmers, 1 pressed pearl, 4 metallics and 1 duochrome. I don't know which one's the duochrome, it's hard to tell, but they all look beautiful. And I look forward to using this palette in one of my first look videos. I was looking forward to this palette ever since I saw it in a sneak peek. I don't need this part, because I'm keeping it. I'm keeping my baby. Anyway, that is a beautiful palette from Eloise. So let's go over it. We have the palette, we have the face oil, we have the ice roller, we have Ole Henriksen, we have the body scrub, and we have the lip scrub also. So lots of scrubbing and conditioning going on. Let's get the calculator. I had to get a new calculator. My kitty calculator broke. And so we have 46, 50. I'm glad you can see that I can use a calculator properly. 18, 22, and 18.95. So it's a $209 value for everything in this box. I just cleared it out. So it was $209.95, and that is a great deal for a $35 box. I hope you've had a great time with me. I can't wait to get my Boxyluxe. Ooh, so light and fluffy my hair is. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. And oh, this is Boxycharm Glam Vibes only, and it's number 7. As far as the variation, it's variation 7. So have a great day or day of your choice. See you real soon. Bye.